dynamic business landscape, understanding customer loyalty is a crucial pillar for sustainable success. However, effectively measuring and analyzing customer loyalty can be an intricate task. A recent study by Harvard Business Review claims that a mere 5% increase in customer retention can lead to an increase in brand profits by 25 to 95%. So here is a comprehensive guide with 4 key metrics that will help you understand and boost customer loyalty for your brand. Number 1. Financial metrics. When it comes to measuring customer loyalty, financial metrics takes the lead as it is a vital parameter that indicates commitment as well as value. The categories that fall under financial metrics are customer lifetime value, which is CLV, repeat purchase rate, which is RPR, average order value, customer acquisition cost, and revenue churn rate. These criteria help you quantify the monetary value of your loyal customers. So it's basically like having a tool that helps you understand the efforts that you are taking to keep your customers coming back are paying off or not. Moving on to number 2, engagement metrics. Engagement metrics are fundamental in understanding customer interactions as they help you understand how well your brand communication is perceived. The categories included under engagement matrix are Net Promoter Score, Customer Engagement Score, Customer Satisfaction Score, Social Media Engagement, and Website Traffic and Engagement. Through these, you can measure customer engagement across various channels and also understand the emotional connection your customers feel with your brand. Coming to number 3, behavioral metrics. Understanding brand loyalty heavily relies on behavioral metrics as it not just helps understand how the customers interact with your brand but also with your product and marketing strategy. Now let's see what all falls under this category. Number 1, purchase frequency, followed by customer retention rate, active user rate, product return rate, and referral rate. These measurements give an insight into how people behave, what they like, and also the patterns that they follow. They also help you spot trends and implement improvement strategies that enhance customer loyalty and keep your customers coming back for more. Moving to number 4, additional metrics. Besides financial, behavioral, and engagement metrics, there are some additional indicators that give valuable insights into customer loyalty. Now these are customer effort score, first contact resolution rate, and number of complaints. So these extra measurements add more detail to the usual way of looking at things. They also help you understand different aspects of your customers' experiences in a better manner. So to accurately measure customer loyalty, a comprehensive approach including financial, engagement, behavioral, and additional metrics is essential. This multidimensional analysis provides in-depth understanding of factors influencing customer loyalty and also reveals opportunities for improvement. So elevate your business by leveraging the true potential of customer loyalty measurement and implement strategies that take you to infinite growth.